You see that, y'all? The bobbins on my front rotor are no good. But instead of replacing the bobbins at like $7 or $8 each, and there's quite a few of them, I'm just going to replace the whole disc with a new disc. Take off this front fender to make it easier access to the wheel. Alright, now I got the front fender off and I can easily get at it. And presto, all done. New rotors. So the complete ABS system was removed off this bike by the previous owner, whoever that was. I got this bike from Copart, so it could have had multiple owners. I don't know who removed it, but the ABS system was already removed. So putting on these aftermarket rotors was no big deal. I just swapped out the old rotors and bolt on these new rotors to this rim, and didn't have to worry about the ABS ring, transferring over the ABS ring onto this wheel. I like the look of these aftermarket rotors. They don't only look better than stock rotors, but they're a little bit thicker, probably about a millimeter thicker than the stock rotors. Got the fender back on and I'm ready to ride. Alright, so my test ride was a success. These aftermarket brake rotors worked out perfect. By the way, I got the rotors off of eBay, but I still use the OEM brake pads from BMW. Alright, so until next time, I'm out.